Okay guys, so today we're gonna make some mushroom chicken. Here's the chicken already marinated with soy sauce, sugar, white pepper, red wine, and egg. Here we have the mushroom. The mushroom is soaked in water for like 3 hours. If you don't have this mushroom, you can use some other mushroom. And over here we have onion, spring onion, ginger, and garlic. We're gonna fry this first, and then we're gonna put the chicken, let the chicken nicely fried, and then put the mushroom, and then put the sauce. We're gonna mix the sauce later. And here's the oil. Not too much oil, but not too little, because we have a lot of chicken, and we're gonna put some veggie later. Okay guys, so as always, once this spice is fried till a little bit burned, we're gonna put them on the side, and we're gonna start to fry the chicken. If you have a lot of chicken, don't put them all in one time, because we want them to be nicely fried but not boiled. When you fry the chicken, the water in the chicken will come out and make it like little soup at the end, so the chicken won't be nicely fried. So only put a little chicken at one time and put it again. So now after we fry the chicken a little bit, we'll add the mushroom and the sauce. This sauce is made of soy sauce, a oyster sauce, and a little bit bean paste sauce, which I always use in my cooking. You can see here. So after we add the mushroom, we'll add this sauce, and then we'll add the veggie. And then we'll have this water, which is the water where we soak the mushroom in. And then that's it. After we add everything inside, veggie and meat and sauce and mushroom, everything, we don't add any water, right? Because the sauce has water in it. We'll let it boil for like 10 minutes. Put some salt at the end, some green onion at the end, then it's over.